to study for a test.
Too bad.
It's my final test for physics. And then I also have the final. And I brought my review so you can help me study. So I'm probably gonna fail. Huh?
Was this a punishment for me?
No! You're such a weenie head. I'm gonna hit you with this spinner. Okay, just ask me.
What is the photoelectric effect and how can it be absorbed in your house?
Observed, not absorbed. It's not
Oh.
a sponge.
Sorry.
It is the injection of electrons from a solid by an incident beam of sufficiently energetic electromagnetic radiation or any phenomenon involving electricity and electromagnetic radiation such as photoemission. It can be observed in your house by the energy of electrons that flow through lamps, computers, refrigerators, and into the batteries of our cell phones.
What is fission and how do we use it?
What?
Listen! Before he
Listen!
What is the fission and how do we use it?
It is the action of dividing or splitting something in two or more parts. We use it for the splitting of electrons. And they go boop, 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 boop.
That's not electrons!
Then what does it say?
You really need to
Atoms.
study. You need to really study more often.
Atoms. Boop, boop. It says atoms.
I know.
Boop, 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 boop.
Stop poking me, it's starting to hurt. I'm not a kitty! Ow. What is it saying? What is the fusion and how is it used in nature?
It is the process or result of joining two or more things together to form a single entity. The conditions needed to induce fusion reactions are extreme. So extreme that virtually all natural fusion occurs in stars, where gravity compresses the gas until temperature and pressure forces balance the gravitational compression.
You know what?
What?
I'm just tired of studying with you. You're hitting me, you're poking me, you're hitting me with a pillow, and I'm sick of it.
Can I hit you again?
No, before I hit you with a chancla,
No. You have to
then
study.
I quit studying with you.
Who's gonna study with me?
Your sister! Not me. Your other sister.
Whatever. Eva, your turn.
Yay!
Okay, now, can I keep writing songs now? I think I've studied enough.
No, you have to study.
No, but
You
I
have to
wanna
be
write a
smart.
song. You just said the magic word, smart. Ain't gonna happen.
Describe evidence for an effect of the strong and weak nuclear force in nature.
I guess it is a continuation of question 3, but if there is enough material in the star, pressures and temperatures will grow large enough as the star contracts that fusion will begin to occur, and the energy released will then sustain the star's temperature against losses from sunlight being radiated away. The minimum mass needed to induce fusion is roughly 1/10 the sun's mass. This is why the sun is the star, but Jupiter is merely a large planet. Stellar fusion reactions gradually convert hydrogen into helium. When a star runs out of hydrogen fuel, it either stops burning, becoming a dwarf star, or if it is large enough so that gravity compresses the helium strongly, it begins burning the helium into heavier elements. Because fusion reactions cease to release energy once elements heavier than iron are involved, the larger stars are eventually run out of fuel, but this time they collapse in a supernova. Gravity no longer opposes by the internal pressure of fusion heated gases. crush the core of the star, forming things like white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. The bigger the star, the more extreme the result. That was a mouthful. I didn't understand what it said, but whatever. All I remember: stars, Jupiter, sun. Ugh, can we stop studying now?
No, you still need 5 and 6.
I'll be back. I'm gonna get a piece of paper, okay?
Okay.
Just wait there and not pretty or something. I don't care.
I'm going.
Do a face.
La 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 la. Creeper. Anywho. Okay.
Explain what mass energy equivalence means, which scientists developed this theory, and what is the formula?
It is the principle that is measured quantity of mass is equivalent. Wait, no, it's the principle that a measured quantity of mass is equivalent, according to relativity theory, to a measured quantity of energy. It was discovered, created, whatever, by Albert Einstein, and this is the formula. E equals mc squared. I don't know what it means, but that's the formula. Yay! Ugh, whatever. One question, thank goodness, because you're getting on my nerves. Okay. So, what's the last question?
How was the elemental composition of the sun determined without actually going there?
The solar spectrum. It comes from the photosphere and chromosphere of the sun, but it is so to be representative of the entire sun with the exception of the solar core because of the degree of mixing which takes place between the layers of the sun's interior. About 67 elements have been detected in the solar spectrum. Some of the elements have been hydrogen, helium, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, silicon, magnesium, neon, iron, and sulfur. There's a table and apparently NASA uses that, but whatever.
Finally finished. Even though you're not going to memorize half the stuff. No!
You're mean. I wonder how my best friend's going with her studying. I mean, she is smarter. And then to make things worse, my boyfriend broke up with me. I'm starting to think maybe he wasn't a French model. Oh well, everything happens for a reason. That's how I'm gonna feel